Hey, what is up guys? Like I promised last time, I went ahead and I ordered the back cover for the Galaxy Note 5. As you guys remember, when I was trying to replace the battery, I ended up breaking the back cover and I was a little bit concerned, but I ended up finding a couple of them online for between $10 to $15. I want to give a quick shout out to Giovanni for recommending this particular back cover that I got. I ended up paying about $15. He got one some time ago and seems that it worked out for him. So I ordered it and I installed it, so let me tell you all about it. My name is Mario. For those of you who are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel. We focus on some of the videos on the Galaxy Note 4, Note 5, Note 8, and very soon the Galaxy Note 9. So if you have any of those phones, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So moving into the back cover, as I mentioned to you guys, I broke the back panel and I went ahead and I ordered it online. It cost me about $15. I got it in a couple of days and installation was very easy. So one of the first things that I had to do is make sure that I remove all the glue and some of the glass particles that were left behind. I had to make sure I remove it all completely. I did use a wipe with some alcohol to remove some of the adhesive. Ended up using one of those blades to remove some of the gum that I couldn't get removed easily. At the end, I just make sure everything was off completely. But you do have to make sure that you remove all the glass and everything that stays in there. So when you put the new one, make sure it stays flush. Between the adhesive, you have the back plastic cover and you have the actual glass panel. So I had to be a little bit careful when I was removing the plastic cover, making sure that I wasn't peeling off the adhesive that was in the back panel. After making sure it was lined up correctly, I just went ahead and put some pressure around it and just, I was pretty much careful with it. I didn't want to scratch it or break it. And overall, I think it looked really good. I was very impressed when I first put it in there. It just looked like the original. The colors, the lettering, everything looked pretty much like the original. The only thing that I noticed, and I did notice this on the reviews, is that it doesn't seem to be 100% the size from the manufacturer. Seems like it's like a pinch smaller, maybe about 1 millimeter. But honestly, it's not a big deal for me. So, and from one side, it looks like everything is perfect. On the other side, I can see a little bit of gap. But again, I'm not really concerned. It was only about $15 and I'm not gonna be able to see this once I put the back cover on it. And even if I don't wanna use a cover on this, I mean, I'm just gonna walk around this and I know if I break it, if I drop it and it breaks again, I mean, it's only about $10, $15 that I'm gonna have to spend on it again. Once I put a case on it, I'm not even gonna remember it. As you can see on the very bottom, on the edge, on the corner, it didn't went all the way in, and no matter how much pressure I put in there, it's not gonna seal completely. And this is a very common problem with the glass protectors that you get for the Galaxy Note 8 or some of the Infinity Displays glass covers that you get if you guys have tried them. Sometimes they're not 100% perfect, and on the corners you'll notice that it doesn't line up completely. It's not flush. But overall, if you guys need to replace your back panel and you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely check them out in Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below if you guys want to order it. Again, I only paid about $15 for this, and overall, I'm pretty satisfied. Wireless charging works. I'm able to use the case on it, and there's no complaints. The color matches. Pretty much everything it's like the original. And I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys think it's worth it? Installation was very user-friendly. I wasn't concerned. This was the first time that I installed a back cover, as you guys know. I ended up breaking the first one that I was trying to take off. But again, consider subscribing to this channel. If you have any of the Note phones or anything that you want to see on any of the Note phones, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always taking suggestions and I'm always working to try to get one of the best contents for you guys. So thank you for watching. Make sure you smash the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.